Welcome to the channel Test Your English Grammar. Look at here. Neither of us dash to go to the market. What will come here? Is it option A or is it option B? Wants, this is singular verb, right? And want, this is plural verb. We add s or es with the verb to make it singular. Before giving you the answer of this question, let me give you some basic point so that you can easily understand. So neither of, after neither of, we can use plural noun or pronoun, and then we can also use singular verb or plural verb. Look at here. After neither of, we can use singular verb, that is, we can use formal style. After neither of, we can also use plural verb, and this is very informal style, or we use this in informal speaking. So singular and plural, both verbs are correct, right? So now come to the question. Neither of us dash, so we can use a singular verb, that is wants, or we can use plural verb. Neither of us wants to go to the market, or neither of us want to go to the market. So the right answer is D. So in most of the case we'll use singular verb because this is formal, right? So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.